Did you know you can change your videos from looking like this boring pale color to this? Yes, I'm going to show you how to color grade using CapCut mobile app and make your videos look more professional. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. Just subscribe right now because on this channel, I make videos about tips and hacks on how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if you're looking on a way how to go viral on YouTube or anything concerning YouTube growth, just subscribe right away. And I also make videos about editing tutorials like this particular video right here. So if you want to develop your editing skills, just subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified. Now, if you want to get engagement on YouTube, if you want to make professional videos, you should always think about two main things. And this is the backbone of professional videos on YouTube. The first thing, it is your voice, your sound, the way your videos sound. And I made a video about how to turn your phone recorded sound, the audio that was recorded by your phone, how to turn it to a professional sound. And if you didn't watch that video, check this card right here after watching this video and learn how to do that. You can literally turn your sound, the sound that you recorded using your mobile phone, to a professional sound and sound like a pro. So don't worry about having a poor microphone. You can literally turn that video to a professional sound. Color grading is the second thing to think about before you begin creating professional content. All right, guys, so let's go through the tutorial right away. So I'm going to use this same video and show you how I color graded it, how I changed the entire colors and remove this boring color, this pale color. The first thing you do before you even begin the color grading it yourself, it's all about balancing the white color in your video, or what is called white balance. And what you do here, you just go to adjust right away. And once you go to adjust, you look for brilliance right here. Now, according to my video, this video I called it at night and lights. So here you have to be so keen about your videos, whether you caught your video in daytime or outdoors or indoors, during night, all the time. So you have to balance this brilliancy according to how you actually recorded your video. So since my video was recorded at night, I have to adjust brilliancy so that I make it look more bright, and I literally got to make it 20 right there. Now, the second thing after brilliancy, you have to adjust clarity right here. And with clarity, I always make it around 40 to 50. It depends on the video, as I said. It depends on how you captured your video, okay? So you have to always be flexible. You don't have to cram the same numbers that you have to use 50 of clarity every time or 20 of brilliancy every time you're editing. You just have to be flexible to make good looking videos, okay? So with clarity, since this video was recorded at night, I don't have to use a lot of clarity, because when I increase a lot of clarity, this video will look more darker, okay? As you see, it is now more darker since it was out at night. Now I'll just put it between 35 to 40. But let me make it 35. Now after clarity, the next thing to balance it is highlights. Since this video was caught at night, the lights, as you see, the lights are so many on my face and my skin, okay? So I have to balance that lights and at least be kind of balanced and fixed. What I have to do here, it is reducing the highlights. As you see that once I put this to -50, you see that the lights have decreased, okay? So I'll just literally put it around 35 or 40, but for this video, I'm gonna put it at 35. After that, the next thing, we are going to balance the white color, or what's called whites. right here, and this you just increase it. Since this is a night video, I'll put it at 20. It looks better. Then the next thing, it's the black color, and with this I'm going to put it at -3. Okay, so after that, the next thing, it is temperature of the video. Now with temperature, I myself, I always like warmer temperature, but it will depend on what you like. But with me, I always like warmer temperature. Though you can apply cold temperature, as you see right there, or warmer temperature. But with me, I always use 10 in the side of warm temperature. You can use -10 to make it look cold or more white, like the color becomes more white. But as I said, I like warmer temperature. Okay, now after that, you can now see that the video has literally changed, but we have not come to the conclusion. That's not the end. Now, after white balancing, the next thing, you increase the sharpness of the video. What is sharpen? Now, with sharpening the video, it actually helps your video to be more sharp, to have a good quality. So with the sharpness of the video, I always recommend 30. So after that, with the white balance, it is now done. The next thing we're going to do, it is color grading. Before I continue, I always give random shoutouts to my subscribers. So shoutouts to A Unique Style and Lovebird Show. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment and liking my videos. All right, guys, if you want to get a shout out in my next video, just subscribe right away, turn on notifications, and don't forget to leave a comment. All right, let's continue. Color grading, it's actually here at HSL. Okay, so here you can add the colors that you want, you can reduce them, you can fade them, and I'm going to show you how you literally do that. So we have here different colors. As you see, we have red, we have this color, we have pink, we have blue, we have different colors as you see them. So I'm going to begin with red. Red works on your skin basically. Okay, so with red hue, I always use 50 for the hue, and then saturation, I actually use saturation about 50 or 45. So with saturation, I'm gonna put it at 45. Then lightness, I just make my face look more lightened up to 45. Okay, after that, the next color, this looks like brown, but with this color, it is all about your hands, your fingers. Okay, so you have to make them look more lightened. It also affects the face, but not that much. Okay, so 35 is better. 35 is for hue, and then saturation, you make it -10. Okay, as you see, when you put it at 100, you see that the face and then the hands, the nails and stuff are looking so colored. Okay, so at least make it -10 to make it look normal. So you don't need to use a lot of colors for your videos to look abnormal. You know, a lot of colors make your videos to be anobic. Okay, so with the lightness here, you increase it to 50 so that it becomes more lightened. Okay, so the next color, it is blue, dark blue. So with blue, it helps your clothes, then your hair to be more black if you want, if you like to make it more black. As you see, look at my shirt here, it looks somehow purple or blue, and then here you see that it's more black. So I always put it at 50. This is basically when I record my videos while wearing a black shirt, but it depends on different colors of the clothes that you wore, or the clothes that the people who were in your videos were wearing. Okay, so with the saturation, I'll literally put it at -35. Okay, so you see saturation here, the shirt looks somehow blue and purple, but when I put here, you see that it's dark, it is more dark. Okay, so I'll literally put it there. Then the lights, with the light, let me put it at 35. As I said, these digits are not fixed digits. You don't need to come back with these same digits on your next content, okay? So you don't need to cram this. You just see what is better for your video, what's better for your shot, what's better for your skin, and then you apply them on every video that you edit. Okay, let me hope I'm clear. Now, the next color is very, very important, and the next color is color pink. Color pink helps your lips. If you want to make pink lips, like for the ladies, you know, they like pink lips. If you want to make pink lips, you can use this particular pink color to do that. And if you want to balance your face, okay, I'm going to show you how you can literally balance your face and look more normal. Okay, so when you look at my face, it is changing from here. It looks somehow abnormal. Then when I put this color around 35, let me put it at 40 there. When you look at my face, it now generates the entire color. Like it's the same color, but before it wasn't the same color. I had different colors. Okay, saturation, let it be around 50 there, positive 50. And now lightness. So if you want to make your lips look pink, you literally put it at 70. And if you want to make your lips look blunt, like for the men, you just put it at negative 50 right there. Now after that, these other things, it's all about balancing the background, balancing as you see the speaker, my laptop screen. Okay, so that you just do it by increasing around these colors. Okay, now as we look at my speaker, you see it's now changing. Here it's more purple, here it looks kind of blue. So it's all about me seeing what I like and the color I want my speaker to look like. And then with the green color, I'll not temper with it because I don't have any green color in the video. If you want to make your background look more lighted, you use this yellow color. You just make your background look more lightful. Okay, so as you see, my background can change while decreasing and increasing this yellow color. I will just put it at 70 to make my background look more lightful. Okay, so with the light, I'll still increase it. Let me put it at 50. With the saturation, let me put it at negative 50. And now as you see, my background has lightened. The next thing about color grading, it is graphics. Okay. Now here you can literally increase the white color, red color, green color or blue color. And as you see here, I can literally increase the white color and make my video look more lightful or more white. As the red color as well, I can literally do it. Now with the graphs here, what you need to put in your mind is that you don't need to put in your mind that like you have to put the red color or the white color at these numbers. Okay, so you just have to be flexible with the video. You just have to make the video look the way you want it to look like. Okay, now after learning this, what you need to put in your mind, it's always better to brand your videos. Make your videos look the same way. Let your last video look like the next video, and your next video look like the next video you're going to post in the next month. You can literally brand your videos and make your videos look the same way, so that even when your viewers watch your videos, before you introduce yourself, they'll literally know that is you. It's always better to brand your content. Let it be your thumbnails. You have to make sure that you make thumbnails that are in the same design, so that someone literally see your thumbnail and understand that thumbnail is for so and so. Okay, if that was important, please let me know in the comment section. And if you've watched this video from the beginning up this far and you haven't subscribed, just do it right now. Subscribe and turn on notification. Leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.